Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share 10 penny stocks which are under 50 now. So as a beginner in stock market, you will not take so much risk in investing on stocks which are above 1000 or 2000 because it is a risk as a beginner to invest so much on stocks. So if you're someone who is looking for some penny stocks with good fundamentals, then this video is for you. Also, I use Upstocks for trading and investment in stocks. So you can find the link in the description to open your Demat account and start investing in stocks. Also, this is not an investment advice. So before purchasing any stocks, whatever the price it might be, do your own research. The first penny stock that I'm going to discuss is JP Power Ventures. So Jaiprakash Power Ventures, if you can see the chart, so it has produced over 104% returns from the last 1 year. So which is very high, I can say. So it is currently trading at 4.35. It is engaged in generation and transmission of hydro and thermal power. So it is currently trading at 4.35. This is something which can be a go-to stock. So because it is currently on discount, I can say it has also reached 6.885 in this year. So with more than 100% returns, this is one of the best penny stock that beginners can aim for. And the second penny stock is Union Bank of India. So it is currently trading at 48.75. So it is a PSU bank. It has produced over 100% returns from the last 1 year. So which is a very good thing. So 48.7 is which is a good buy, I can say. As a beginner, this is one of the stock that one can aim for. So if you can also compare last 5 years returns, so it is growing from the last 1 year. So there was a time when Nirav Modi and Vijay Mallya issue take place, all the PSU banks went down, but nowadays like all the PSU banks are recovering. So this is one of the good buy. The third stock that I'm talking today is Vodafone Idea. So once after Vodafone and Idea clubbed as a single entity, so the price is going up. So even after government gives support to Vodafone Idea, so the stocks went from 4 rupees INR to 10 INR. So it was currently trading around 10. So you can see it has produced only 10% returns, but you can see, so there was a time where it reached trading at 4 rupees and even 5 rupees. So it was growing now. So there are only 3 telecommunication stocks in existence now. So Jio, Airtel and Vodafone Idea. So I hope Vodafone Idea can grow more. So this is one of the good stock as a beginner. And the fourth penny stock to buy is Hathway. So you all know Hathway is like a data service provider. So the 1 year returns is low, but still it was on discount. So if you can see, it is trading around 20 rupees now, but it can grow. If you can see, the all-time high is 36, and if you can see the maximum comparison, it was also there at 76 during some time. Other penny stock with good returns, you can see it has also produced around 100% returns over the last 1 year. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited is currently trading around 37.40. So it undertakes project development and some port connectivity projects. So it was also a good buy and the other penny stock that I'm talking about is TV18 Broadcast. So currently trading at 46. It has also produced around 64% returns. So it offers telecommunication, broadcasting, and information supply services. So as a beginner, it is something that one can go for because it has produced good returns over the last 1 year. So and the other penny stock that I'm talking today is NHPC Limited. NHPC Limited is currently trading around 32 rupees. So it has also produced 57% returns from the last 1 year, which is very good. So it is engaged in electricity generation through hydroelectric power plants. So it is also a good stock as a beginner. And the other penny stock that I'm talking today is Punjab National Bank. It is under PSU Bank. So if you can see, it has produced over 40% returns for the last 1 year. So as a beginner, it is one penny stock that one can go for because PSU banks from the last 1 to 2 years are gaining its momentum back. So Punjab National Bank is one such thing. So and the other penny stocks, which is a good buy option, is Kirloskar Electric Company Limited. So it is engaged in selling electric related items like electric motors, transformers, generators, etc. So it has also produced around 126% returns over the last 1 year. So which makes a good option to buy as a beginner. Other penny stock that I would suggest is NCL Research and Financial Services Limited. If you can see, it is currently trading at 4.48. But the thing is, if you can see the returns in the last 1 year, it has produced over 1,840% returns, which is very, very high. If you can see the low, so in the beginning of 2021, it was trading around 0.30, and it is now trading at 4.48. So which is very much high. So it has produced very good returns. So it can be a good stock. It is engaged in the business of research and financial investments. So it is a stock which a beginner can look into because it has already produced good returns and it is consistently going high. So these are all the 10 penny stocks which a beginner can go for. So one or two of these might become multi-baggers too, so which can also produce good returns like how NCL Research has produced. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and found it insightful, please like, comment and share this video in your network. Also, if you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.